Good day, everyone. I am Teacher Betty, and today I will be sharing to you general mathematics and everything that comes along with it in a video called Exploring the Reasons Why. But before that, I have a joke. Why does the rate of trees cut follow an inverse exponential trend when lumberjacks start singing? Because it logged a rhythm. Okay, let's proceed. General mathematics is one of the core subjects under the K-12 curriculum. It is offered in the grade 11 first semester to all students whatever track or strand they may be. This core subject must enable students to know how to solve problems involving rational, exponential, and logarithmic functions, to solve business-related problems, and to apply logic to real-life situations. The entirety of this course is divided into three main contents. Before we continue, did you know that mathematical functions is discovered by Johann Bernoulli? And that is the first content in general mathematics, functions and their graphs. Among these are 35 learning competencies which are eventually divided into three. The first one, lessons 1 to 4, which aims to accurately construct mathematical models to represent real-life situations using functions. Lesson 5 to 12, however, aims to accurately formulate and solve real-life problems involving rational functions, and the remaining 23 lessons which enable students to apply the concepts of inverse functions, exponential functions, and logarithmic functions to formulate and solve real-life problems with precision and accuracy. The second main content is about basic business mathematics. Yes, you have heard it right. Not only ABM students has the privilege to study business mathematics. It has 24 learning competencies which are divided into three performance standards which are investigate, analyze, and solve problems involving simple and compound interests and simple and general annuities using appropriate business and financial instruments. Use appropriate financial instruments involving stocks and bonds in formulating conclusions and making decisions. And lastly, decide wisely on the appropriateness of business or consumer loan and its proper utilization. True or false? The last content of the course is logic, which comprises 11 of the learning competencies. In this topic, learners are expected to know the key concepts of propositional logic, syllogisms, and fallacies, and master the key methods of proof and disproof while using it in real-life situation. Sounds interesting, right? But I know something that is more interesting. Do you know that you can also integrate values to mathematics? Yes, that's true. Come on and I will show you what I got. Among 63 lessons, I have come up to 10 values that are most prominent and most visible. These are the values of wise use of resources, critical thinking, entrepreneurial spirit, economic equity, future orientation, honesty and integrity, personal discipline, love of truth, scientific orientation, and fairness. These could all be found through the following learning competencies. All of these are based on the related values of each of the 7 dimensions of math. As we can see, values under the economic dimension is the most prominent, since almost every lesson under general mathematics explicitly talks about monetary or financial matters. Among these lessons are stocks and bonds, annuity and equity, loans, and even interests. It is important to note that lessons related to functions also exhibit economic values, most especially in budgeting and allocation. On the other hand, logic is all about truth and having a proof about a certain claim. Interesting, isn't it? But I wonder, did I ring a bell to you? Oh, that's great! If you ever doubt what math has to do with your life, remember that mathematics play a role in our lives. That mathematics saying it's not time to give up. That mathematics will help you realize it's a matter of choice which you can see it. In every problem there's a solution in your life.